guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the release day for My Favorite Things plus CC Designs. So I'll have two releases to share with you. So I'll share what I have for the My Favorite Things. So I'll share some of the My Favorite Things products and then we'll move on to the CC Designs. So we've got a new paper pad today from My Favorite Things. Really delicate, beautiful, tiny little patterns on there. That is really, really cute. Perfect for spring. It's called Your Crafty Happy Place. So we've got new stamps in the 4x6 size. This one is by Stacy Yakula. This is called Sky High. I love her designs. So we've got this cute fox with a little hedgehog in the airplane with a little flag at the back that says I love you. And then there's a cloud. There's one jumping from the plane, and we've got little trees and a cloud and a bird to make a scene at the bottom. And then we've got sentiments. It's plain to see you're amazing. My love for you is sky high. For you, the sky's the limit. I'm still falling for you. You make my heart soar. I just plain love you. And then the coordinating die. Now the coordinating die does cut out the inside between the strings on this balloon. It also cuts out the portion on the flag. It cuts out the inside right here in between those strings. I love when dies do those little details like that. This one is my favorite. This is so cute. This is by Birdie Brown. It's called Unicorns and Glitter. Everything nice, right? Unicorns and glitter. So we've got these two cute little girls with the unicorn headbands on, and they got little ears, and this one has a bow, that one has flowers, and they've got these really pretty dresses that you can color up like rainbows. Kind of reminds me of Rainbow Bright. And then the little cat and dog have little unicorn little hats on too. That one's got little wings. There's a rainbow and some shooting stars. And the sentiments read, thank you for believing in me. We go together like unicorns and glitter. You were created to be you. You are straight up magic. And you're a limited edition. And there is a coordinating die available for that one as well. Now, if you're spending over $100, you can use my Shop More, Save More program and use the coupon code SAVE10 for 10% off the new release. So we've got Flower Fairies, which is really adorable with their big giant flowers that they're holding. We've got Hi Sweet Girl, sending a sprinkle of love to brighten your day. You spread love wherever you go, sending you a bunch of good wishes. And then the coordinating die for that one. And it does, my recording stopped, I'm not sure where. So I didn't know if I showed this one or not, but this is the Caticorn stamp set. Like unicorn, but cat. We've got these really cute unicorns. This one's really cute. I love the little cat flying up like this. You can put him through the clouds or the stars or the rainbow and do a really cute sky scene. And this one's smiling with its eyes. And then we've got two little cats here that are ready to play. A nice rainbow. Thank you for being there when I needed you. I'd spend all 9 lives with you. You're one of a kind. Everything about our friendship is perfect. And then the coordinating die does cut in between like the tails, and so that's really nice. I did restock this one, the Sweet Shop. This one's really, really cute. Look at that. So I do have the die available as well. And then we've got a smaller stamp set here. This one is called Recipe for Life. So we've got live, love, laugh, play, dream, go for it, smile. And then a happy birthday with the outline. And then this die here is a giant fat frame. I love that. It's got some little details on there that will be embossed. And then we've got the smile in 2 sizes. And then there's a smile scripty die. For CC Designs, we've got some new paper pads. Really, really pretty. Love this Easter one. These beautiful colors, the plaid, the gingham, and then we've got the rainbow paper pad. So perfect with all the little rainbow stamps. We've got this cute little rainbow one from CC Designs. Isn't that adorable? It's called Unicorn and Rainbow. I love her holding a little cloud with the little hearts dropping, and the little girl dressed up as a unicorn. The sentiments read, be unique, have a magical day, wishing you a day that sparkles, you make life colorful. Super, super fun. And then we've got the little lumberjack dressed up as a bunny rabbit. There's 2 of them. May the Easter bunny bring you lots of chocolate, one handsome bunny, show me the bunny, and Mr. Hopster. And then the coordinating die. And the CC Designs dies are really inexpensive. They're like $8. This one doesn't have a die. This one is called, let's see, Funny Unicorn. Look at that guy. And then that's his belly right there. And his legs spread out. That is so funny. And then this one's dancing. Look at his face. And then he's got the cool glasses on. And then this one's like throwing a fit. Wah, I miss you. I'm cool like a unicorn. Dance like no one's watching. And I'm crazy for you. The sentiments are perfect. And then this cutie comes with a die, or the die is available, and it's called Tiny Easter. Sweet little images. You get 2 little bunnies, and then a lamb. And the sentiment reads, Bunny wishes to you, sending you llama wishes. Okay, so that's a llama. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes, and some bunny loves you. Just precious. And then that's the die for that one. So I'll have the links down below to these stamp sets in the shop. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.